Good morning, everyone. Today's topic is 5 variable K map. So, what is 5 variable K map? Let us see. So, 5 variable K map we required 32 cells because 2 power 5 means 32. So, in truth table we get 32 combinations, right? So, those combinations are represented into cells. Okay. Row wise we indicate 3 variable, column wise we indicate 2 variables. Okay, and each cell is represented as min term for SOP, max term for POS, and column and row names are indicated using gray code. Let us see 5 variable K map. See, this is the 5 variable K map for, okay, here we have total 32 cells and there is a small gap. Why we giving this small gap, I will say later. Let us see first. So consider in this order only A, B, C, D, E. Okay. Now A, B means two variables. So two variables means how many combinations we get? Four combinations. Okay. So zeroth row, first row, second row, third row. Okay. Zeroth row is denoted with 0, 0. First row 0, 1. Second row 1, 1. Why 1, 1? 1, 1 is gray code of 2. Okay. Remember. Next 1, 0. Next we have three variable here. Column wise we have three variables. Three variables means how many combinations we get? 8 combinations. So we have 8 columns here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 columns are there. So this is 0th column. So we write 0, 0, 0, 0. First column 0, 0, 1. Second column. Second column means 0, 1, 1. Okay. Because this is gray codes. Next 0, 1, 0. Next 1, 1, 0. Triple 1. 1, 0, 1. 1, 1, 0. Okay. Like that. Why I give gap means you know that gray code is a reflective codes. Okay. So this part, this column is reflective with this column. So that if suppose ones are available here, you can make it as this is one pair, right? This is one pair. You can make it as a quad. Okay. Okay. You combinedly make it as a quad. And these two columns also reflective. Okay. You can suppose here one and here one is available. So you can, this is single one, this is single one, but you can take it as a pair. Okay, you can take it as a pair because these two are reflective. Suppose that one is available here, these two are not reflective, so don't consider this as pair. Check whether columns are reflective or not. Again, these two columns are reflective and last and first columns are reflective. Okay, that's why we giving small gap because reflection, this column indicate this, so we providing reflection, so this is like a mirror type. Okay, if ones are available in reflection part, we can make it as a group. Okay, suppose this column has 4 ones and this column has 4 ones. So this is one quad, this is one quad. Combinedly you can take it as octet. That is the advantage of reflection. Okay, that is called reflection. And numbering. Index numbering is you have to follow in this order only. A, B, C, D. So 0, 0, 3 zeros. 0, 0, 3 zeros. What is that? 0, 0, 3 zeros. Totally it is 0. Like that you have to give numbering. Okay, numbering part is like this: 0, 1, 3, 2, 6, 7, 5, 4. If okay, 8, 9, 11, 10, 14, 15, 13, 12. Okay, like this you have to write numbering. For suppose if you go in this side in reverse order, what happened? 0 0, first you have to write 000 0 0. This will become 0, and now if you come reverse order, 0 0 0 0 1, this will becomes 1. Okay, this will becomes what? 3. This will becomes 2. In this order the order will be changed. Okay, so please follow one notation entire problem, don't confuse. Okay, follow in single direction from this side. Okay, if you follow in this order, that is best. Follow this way numbering for K map. Okay, next, how to minimize now. So first, place ones according to the given question. In K map, draw the K map and place ones or zeros according to given problem. First priority is 32, group of 32. Okay, and take common. Next 16, next 8, next 4, next 2, next singles. Like that you have to make a group. Okay, find out the group and check the common variable. Okay, and one more important point, if you find 32 group, then answer consists either 0 or 1 based on SOP or POS. No variables are available. If you find 62, if you find 16 group, one variable is consist. If you find octet, two variables are available. If you find quad, three variables are available. If you find pair, four variables. If you find single, five variables. Okay, remember, while taking common terms, remember, if you taking common terms from quad, it must consist of three variables. So see those three variables common, which are common or not. Okay, how to SOP notation, you already know this one. SOP means you have to write product. Here product terms C bar, D bar, E. Okay, based on given indexes here. Okay, 0 0 0 means C bar, D bar, E bar. 0 0 1 means C bar, D bar, E. Similarly, row wise and column wise SOP notation. Okay, if sigma is given, use this notation, this table. Okay, if POS given, use this table. Write some terms here. 000 means write some term. Max term, you have to indicate max term. Okay, next problem. For 32 variable, no need to draw truth table. Okay, directly draw the K map with indexes and keep separate. Again draw the K map and do the problem. Okay, and place octet, quads. Okay, group of 16, etc. Okay, and write minimized expression. Okay, let us see some group of 32. So group of 32. See, this is group of 32. Consist, all cells consist 1. So final expression F is equal to what? 1. So this is group of 32. Suppose I given all 32 cells with 0. Then answer is F is equal to 0. Because common term is 0. So F is equal to 0. Next, let us check for 16. Let us check for 16. 16s, group of 16s possible in 5 variable are total 10 possibles. Okay, we get 10 possibles. Out of 10, I am showing some of them. Let us see. This is one possible 16. Okay, this is one possible 16. See, here was 8 is available, here 8 ones are available. But those two parts are reflection. Have you observed? These two are reflection part. So you can take combinedly as group of 16. Okay, group of 16. So answer is common term. Check the common term. What is the common term? D bar is common. Okay. Next, one more. Here see, two horizontals. Here we have 8, here we have 8. We already know we can take corners as group, right? So 8, 8, total 16. This is one possible. Common term is what? B bar is common. Okay, from these two. Vertically we don't have any common. Horizontally we have common. That is B bar. Okay, for 16 variable, 16 group, how many variables we get? One variable. So we get one variable, that is B bar. Okay. Next, one more. See, these two and these two reflection part. So total 16. Answer is E. Check which one is common from those columns. Because row wise there is no common. Check for column wise. E is common. Okay. Next, 16. See, you already know these two can make one octet, right? From these four. Again, these two also can take as a octet. But combinedly, these two are reflective, right? So you can take all ones as group. Okay, 16 ones. Okay, this is one possible 16 ones. Okay, answer is E bar. Check common term, that is E bar. Like that we have so many 16 groups. These are important groups because which follows the reflection property. Okay, without reflection property also we get 16 groups. I will give those images later. You can try it yourself. Next, octets. See, here 4 available, here 4 available, and also satisfies reflection property. So combinedly we can take it as octet. So common term is, check the common term. We can combinedly take it as octet. Combinedly take it as octet. So common term is, from these two rows, A bar is common. From these four columns, E is common. So answer is A bar E. Okay. Next, one more octet. So corners. So you can take these two as quad, right? These two as quad. And this block is reflection. So combinedly you can take these 8 ones. Okay, totally 8 ones. So answer is A E bar. A E bar. Okay. Next octet. 4 1. 1 1 1 1 1 1. Okay, total 8 ones. You can take this also octet because reflection property. B bar E bar. Solution is B bar E bar. See, common terms. Horizontally B bar is common. Vertically E bar is common. Like that you can find different octet. 40 octets are possible. Okay. Next, these two also we can select because reflection property. D. Next, quad. Reflection property satisfying. So you can take this pair and this pair commonly as quad. Okay. BD E bar. So for quad, how many variables we get? 3 variables. So here we get 3 variables. See, common term is from horizontal. From horizontal we have B. From vertical we have D bar E. So common answer is B D bar E. Okay. Next, corners. 4 corners can take as a quad. So common term is what? B bar and E bar. B bar, D bar, E bar. B bar, D bar, E bar. Okay. Next, another quad. So 011 111 is reflection. So you can take these 4 ones because the 4 ones are available at first and last. So we can take it as quads. Okay. So answer is common term is what? B bar from horizontally, vertically D. So answer is B bar D. Next, pair. We have single one here, single one, and those two are reflection. So you can take it as a pair. For pair, how many variables we get? 4 variables. Let us see. Row wise, which one is common? AB. For column wise, which one is common? D bar E. So AB, D bar E. Okay. Next, 5 variable. Okay. Pair reduction. Corners you can take. Okay. A bar, B bar, D bar, E. Next problem. See. 1, 2, 6, 7. I am placing K map now. See. At which locations we have available? 1, 2, 6, 7, 9, 13, 14, 15, 17, 22, 23, 25, 29, 30, 31. Okay. Now let us check for 32 one. 32 one not available. 16 one. 16 ones not available. So 8 ones are available. See, this is 1 8. 1 octet, right? Pink color. Okay. And one, if you observe here, 0 0 1 triple 1 is not reflection, so don't combine that. Okay, that is not a reflection, don't combine that one. Next, eights are available? No, only 8, 1 available. The expression for it, what common term is what? From these two common terms is CD. So for 8 variable we get 2 variables. 8 for octet we get 2 variables, right? So enough. CD is final answer. Next, you have to check for 4 ones. 4 ones are available here. So you can take this one as quad, right? So what is the expression for it? Common term is C bar, D bar, E bar. C bar, D bar, E. Okay. Next, how many ones are available still? This one, this one, this one. 3 ones are available till. So for these 3 ones, let us observe. This is one quad, right? This is one quad. Expression for it. See, B. From these two rows, common is B. From these two columns, common is C. Okay. C, E. Okay. For suppose I am not considering this one BCE. Remember BCE. I am taking reflection part. I am indicating reflection with another color. So this one and this one we can make as a quad reflection part. So reflection part expression is what? This is reflection. So common term is B, this column and this column, D bar E, right? This is one expression. So we get this one. If you take this one, what is this one expression? BCE. So you can take any one, either this or this. Okay, BCE or B bar B, D bar E. You can take any one. No, okay. You can take any one because we covered it already. So no need to take both. Next, this one, single one is available, but that single one can take as a pair with a 6 because these two are reflection. So you can take this one as pair. Okay. From this pair, common term is what? Variable A bar B bar. And common from these two is D bar E. D E bar, sorry. Okay. So how many we get? One octet. Quads how many? One, two. Okay. Two quads. One octet, two quads, and one single. Right? So final answer. 32 1 0, 16 0, octet 1. What is the expression? CD. Next quads 2. C bar D bar E or BCE. BCE or B bar D. You can use any one. I am writing only BCE here. And one pair. A bar B bar D E bar. So final answer is take plus marks. Minimized expression CD plus C bar D bar E plus BCE plus A bar B bar D E bar. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. Next, second problem. Place ones according to given term. 0, 1, 5, 6, 7, 2 also given. Next, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next, 17, 21, 27, 29, 31. Okay. First you have to check for a 16, 32 1, 32 1 not possible. 16 1 not possible. Next 8 ones, 8 ones also not possible. So 4 ones. Here don't consider this as 4 ones. Okay, because there is a gap. See, there is a gap here. Means it is not reflective. These three and this one. Okay, not reflective. So don't consider this as a quad. Okay, remember. Okay, next we have to do quads. So first, this one is single quad. Okay, I am combining this one. Okay, one quad. What is the expression for it? Common term A bar B. From these four, common term is C. A bar BC. And now vertically, this is one combination, one octet. Okay. What is the expression for it? C D bar E. This is the expression. Next, any four ones are available? Combine those. Any other four ones? See here, one more force available. These four, right? What is the expression for it? Common term from these two common terms is CD. From these two rows, common term is A bar. So A bar CD, one C D bar E. Okay, three terms. And next, have you observed 9, 11, 13, 15 is reflection part. So reflection part I am taking with green color. See, 9, 11, 13, 15. This is reflection part. So this is considered as a single quad. Okay. The common term is what? A bar B. From these two, common term is what? See, 1, 2, 3, 4. From these four, common term is E. E is common. So A bar B is now. Okay. Now pairs. You have to select pairs now. How many pairs? You can take this one as one pair. Okay. This two as one pair. Next, 17, 21 as one pair. 27. 27 is single, one is available here, right? Before taking pairs, let us consider one more quad is available. 11, 27, 13, 29, green color. Okay. Both are, both are reflective? No, not reflective. We don't consider that one as a pair. But 1531, you can consider 1531. See, 1531, 1127 as quad. 1531, 1127. So what is common? This column and this column. Common is E is common, right? Horizontally B, BCE, right? BCE is common. Okay. Next, single ones available. Okay. You have to take minimized expression. So for minimized expression, I am taking 1 and 17 as pair. For pairs, I am using another color. I am using blue color now. 1 and 17 I am taking one pair. 0 and 2 I am taking another pair. So that all ones are covered with less expressions, right? Suppose I am taking 0 and 1 pair, and 2 and 6, 1 pair, 1 and 17, 1 pair. We get 3 pairs. 3 pair is best, 2 pair is best, 2 pairs is best. So go for 2 pairs. So combine these two and these two. So that is the advantage. So we get pairs. Okay, write down expression. How many quads we get? 5 quads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 quads. Right? 5 quads. How many pairs? 2 pairs. So final answer is, write down. 5 pairs, 5 quads, 2 pairs. Okay? The final minimized expression. Now I am giving, for this expression only, I am giving don't care also. Okay, for this expression only I am giving don't care with extra don't cares. See, third problem. For this expression only I am giving don't care. Now write ones and don't cares. Ones are available at where? 0, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 21, 27, 29, 31. And don't cares are available at, I am taking don't care with a red color. 4, 3, 19, 23, 25. If I don't take don't cares, if I put don't cares are 0. What happened? Previous problem, answer is same. Whatever previous problem you get, that one only get answer. If I take don't cares as 1, okay, now I am taking don't cares as 1. So this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, this is 1. So what happened? This one also 1. I am taking don't cares as 1. What you observed? Here we get 1 octet, right? See, here we get 1 octet, red color. Here also 1 octet. And what you observe? Both are reflection, right? So we get 16 ones. So group of 16 ones is available. 16 ones group. Group of 16 ones. We can combinedly call it as group of 16 ones, red color. What is the common term? Horizontally, no common. Vertically, check which one is common from these two. 1, 2, 3, 4. What you observed? E is common. Letter E is common. So the common variable is E. Okay. So we combined it. Next. 16 groups any available? No. Now check for octet. For octet I am taking green color now. So this is one octet, right? So expression for that is, common term is A bar B bar. A bar B bar, one octet. Next, is there any ones uncovered? Yes, we have two ones here. 1, 1. So let us combine with this one. We get another octet. So common term is what from these two rows? A bar. From these four columns, what is common? C is common. So answer is A bar C. Okay. So final expression is E A bar B bar plus A bar C. So this is the final expression. Okay. Like that you have to do problems. Next, drawbacks of K-map. See, since pictorial representation is difficult for 5 variable, more than 5 variable, it is difficult to find which is reflective, which one is not reflective, and which one you have to select octet. Everything is difficult. If increasing variables are increasing, it is very difficult. Okay, and to automate or to program more than 5 variables also difficult. Okay, so to overcome this one, we have a another method that is called tabular method. Okay, tomorrow onwards we discuss that tabular method. These are the drawbacks of KMap. Okay, so let us practice these problems. Okay, thank you for today's class.